7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. How's everybody doing? Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have the music in front of you because it's going to make it way less confusing. This is a Rasgueado development riff that I created for you, just for you, because you're so amazing, you little flamenco in training you. This is a Rasgueado development that is a very workable Rasgueado, very usable for Bulerías. I started that out at 176 beats per minute. Get out your music and let's look this over. I'm just getting my metronome set for the future, okay? So we're going to start on the A and then go to the B flat, whatever kind of B flat, but I have this written as 10330. But whatever flavor that you're wanting to play today, you can do that, okay? But we're going to go 12, 1, E, and 2. 12, 1, E, and 2. We have that AMI Rasgueado where the I lands on the downbeat. And we're going to go right into, because that's 16 notes, 1 E and 2. 1 E and 2. But we're just hitting the back half of that 16 notes grouping. 1 E and 2. And now we go into eighth notes. So don't go 1 E and 2 and you don't want to keep 1 E and 2 E. You don't want to do 2 E. 1 E and 2 and. So you have to give that a little bit of a pause to go into eighth notes. So 12, 1 E and 2 and 3 and 12 E, 12, 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So we end on 6. And now we're going to go back to the A with the add flat 9. And we're going to do an A, an I. Well, we're going to do what I call usually A-I-I Rasgueado. Because frequently you start it with your ring finger, A-I-I. But this one we're going to start with the down, or the up of the index finger rather. So we're going to go I-A-I. And we're going to do triplets. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going up with my index, down with my ring, down with my index. That's one triplet. That's 7, 8, 9, and then we end on 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have beat 11. Make sure to account for beat 11, okay? Let's do this slow. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 11, 12, 1. 11, 12, 1. There we go. All right. So now we're going to go up to, let's go up to 112, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 12. I just didn't play it. All right. Sorry, I messed up. I changed the pattern there a little bit. I didn't do that first Rasgueado, and that's an important one to do since this is a Rasgueado development. So I apologize for that. So now we'll go to 144, which, if you're new to all this stuff, is going to seem very, very quick. Just take little piece by little piece. Get in touch with me if you need further assistance, okay? Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. as we go faster, it's getting harder for me to stick to what I wrote for you, okay? And then let's go up to 176. I think that's what I started out, yeah? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I really like this version of the what I normally call ring index. I guess I need to come up with a new name because I like to do that opposite way. It feels very soft and delicate and very tasteful to me. So using the same fingers and in the in the same way, we can just start on a different one, and then all of a sudden it gives a different flavor to what we're doing. Getting into and out of those rasgueados is going to be different, and it changes the way you're playing, and it can, if you let it, it can inform you and help develop you in new ways and give you different options that you might not consider. So I hope that this is the case for this particular way of using this rasgueado. And then the combination is just a great little remate kind of for you, okay? Enjoy the work. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and have a great day. Bye-bye.